In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 119, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a woman who performed much voluntary worship and fasting will go to hell because of the harm she caused others through her speech. Conversely, a woman who fulfilled her obligatory duties and gave a little voluntary charity but treated others well would go to paradise. Unfortunately, many Muslims believe their voluntary righteous deeds will save them from punishment, even though they commit sins against others, such as backbiting and slandering. It is important to learn that the one who behaves in such a manner is only giving away their righteous deeds to others through sinning against them, even though they might believe they will obtain bliss through their voluntary righteous deeds. Justice will be established on Judgment Day, and those who wronged others will lose their good deeds and gain the sins of their victims. This may cause them to be hurled into hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. Muslims should remember this and concentrate more on treating others with respect, just how they would like others to treat them before they strive in voluntary righteous deeds.